Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti niwawetwa kwithiwa kati wa kana yimwe alama na uatii munene ilembetani ya Africa kana most influential nthini wa mithinzio ya savali wa kana fourth edition of the African Women Awards kyathi kila kitwaiiw'e kuya nthi ya Rwanda. Aineenea kyathini kiu Ngavana Wavinya nuwetie kana kutambulikana kwake nikuumunenga vinya wa kuendeea kuthukuma na kithito na muno kukilya mwaitu na ndu muika avamona kutwaisya maendeleo isioni sianduani.
The next award goes to Her Excellency Honorable Wavinya Ndeti, the Governor of Masaku County Government, all the way from Kenya.
Receiving this award is a very big achievement, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank Almighty God, thank my family, and also thank the people of Machakos for believing in me and electing me as their governor. What I want to assure them, I'll continue working for them to make sure that we lift the livelihood of our community, especially the youth and the women.